Ayan na yan. Kasi sumugaw na ulo eh.
Na ano nang...
Na.
Tama, anong inumin niya?
No. No.
We need to remove your teeth.
It could get dangerous.
Ha?
Hindi kasi... Say sorry, si kayo.
Sorry po.
Sorry.
Ano?
Bilang 10, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Tanggal?
Ayan na. Hi!
Show the teeth, show it.
Say hi.
Say hi to the teeth. Bye-bye, teeth.
Going to give you another teeth.
Oh, tabi natin to. Oh, no.
Say E.
Is it hurt?
No.
No, ang tapong naman
Smile.
ni Ate Sam. Can you smile? Oh, no. You're still pretty.
Stick.
Lipstick? It's not lipstick. Why? Very good, Ate Sam. Bye-bye.
Tooth lang naman.
Bye-bye, teeth. Oh, don't touch it. Bye. It's fine. It's fine. Ate Sam is still beautiful.
Oh, my teeth is here. My teeth is not here.
It's missing. Oh.
Took out my teeth. Happy Father's Day. Oh no, my teeth is ache. I'm just angry.
Are you angry?
Yuck!
Yeah.
Yuck!
It's
I
not
can-
yuck. You can smile. 1, 2, 3, smile.
There's no teeth.
What happened to your teeth?
My tongue is so silly.
So silly.
Bye bye. Happy Father's Day, Daddy. My teeth is missing. Happy Father's Day. Can I see? Can I show two teeth aching? Oh no. Can mommy say, oh no, my teeth is aching because this is broken. My CK teeth is damaged.
Damage.
See you on next. Welcome to Chairs. Bye bye. Next is CK. I'm going to dentist today.
Oy.